What I'm really happy about is how these came out. Hi, welcome back. I think this evening we're going to take the trim holes, or take the trim holders, drill them out, plug them up, plug up that hole that's in the center of the tailgate, and try to go back on that back side that we didn't spray yet. Plug that hole up, grind them all down, and maybe grind the rest of that back side down and spray it with paint. I said I'm getting out of here late tonight, but it's only 5:45 and it's already dark outside. Not liking the time change. So got my horrible lighting over there, but anyways, we'll at least get all that done, and then if we get all that done, if there's enough time left, then we'll start sanding the rest of half the tailgate, wherever that forward emblem is. Get it all sanded down, but if not, we may save that for the next video and get all sanded down, a couple videos, and then paint it all at one time. But let's get over there and we'll kind of show you what I meant. As you probably know, I did not pick up anything. Had a busy weekend, but anyways, we're gonna take these out, all these through here, drill these out. I think I can get to the back behind there. Anyways, get all those taken out, sand around them, and then weld them up. Sand around this, we'll weld this up, and probably flip the tailgate back down and get that piece that we missed there and that whole bottom edge of the tailgate. Sand that down and paint it. But that's about all I plan on doing tonight. Like I said, if I get here and everything goes flawlessly and I get through it pretty quick, then we'll start sanding this way. At some point we need to take this out in the tail light and those two bolts out and sand this down, because I'm wanting to paint it when I paint the tailgate with that that's your primer green. But that's all I got planned tonight. Stick around and we'll do a little bit of welding. Anyways, let's get to work. Here's what we got accomplished. We got that plugged. Could go over a little bit more some weld. We got this one plugged. Need to probably put a little bit more oil in the weld and grind it down. What I'm really happy about is how these came out. See little gouge marks, but so they're all pretty much filled. That didn't turn out too bad. Could use a little bit more work, but yeah, I think it's pretty good. I think it'll work. Well, my phone's literally dying as we speak, so thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.